Here I have VIVO Y91. Let me show you top tricks on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start with S Capture. Let's open the list that you would like to save. So in my case, it could be the list of settings. Let's swipe up to open the down bar, and here let's use S Capture. So as you can see here, you can record screen, you can use the rectangular screenshot, you can use funny screenshot or long screenshot. In my case, let me use long screenshot. Now let me tap next to save the whole screen, and as you can see, you just save the whole list of settings on one picture. All you have to do right now is tap save, and this is your screenshot. As you can see, a really long one but really useful. Alright, so that's it. Let's go next to the next trick. Let me show you the motorbike mode. So let's here find and select motorbike mode, and here you can enable this feature by using the following switcher, and you just enable the motorbike mode. Here you can reject all incoming calls, but you can also use settings and, for example, use auto reject calls. For example, you can allow some calls. You can also here use auto repeat calls, and you can also use here the respond with text messages if you would like to, and you can read more about motorbike mode. So if you are using the motorbike, it's really useful to use this mode. You can also tap exit to quit this mode, tap OK to do it. Now let me show you the next trick. So let me show you the navigation gestures. Here let's choose system navigation, and right now we are using the navigation keys, but you can choose to use the navigation gestures. And here, for example, you can go back by using the following swiping from the right side. You can also go to the home screen by using the middle swiping, and you can swipe and wait and hold the device to open the following multitasking. So that's it. You can also use the following form of navigation. If you would like to go back, let's just here find and select system navigation right here, and let me tap navigation keys. Alright, that's it. Let's go next, and let me show you the smart wake. So let's go back right here, scroll down, and here you should find and select the smart motion right here. Choose smart wake, and let's, for example, enable one of the following features. You can here slide upwards to unlock, you can draw C to launch the launcher, or for example draw E to launch the browser. Let me do it. Now lock your device, let's draw E. That's it, and the browser pops up. Really cool thing. Now let me show you the last trick. So one of the most powerful tool on this device. So let me show you the iManager right here. And as you can see here in iManager, you can use one touch optimization right here. This is really useful to optimize the device. Alright, tap back. You can also, for example, use virus scan. In my case, everything looks good. So here you can also speed up the device, monitor your data, and just use some really useful features. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.